Hello everybody, this is Abraham, and what I got for you here is a speaker that has failed. This speaker here is $800. This is Mark Levinson coming from LS460, Lexus LS460. But the problem is not something that can't be fixed. What happened here is it happens a lot on many speakers. You can see in here that the wires are greenish color. That's oxidation. And these are the wires that I've pulled out. You can see the green stuff. These wires are fairly complex. There is a lot of strands going mixed with nylon to make it very flexible. These are the wires that connect the moving part to the stationary part. So they're designed to be flexing all the time that the music is playing. Here is the speaker that I've replaced these wires on. There are a few things that need to be done. The original glue. Let me get this. So this original glue, you can see, it is heat sensitive. You just use a little hair dryer, warm it up, and you can actually peel it off. So this stuff, it seems hard and brittle if you try to pull it as it stands, but warming it up will basically make the glue pliable, and you can peel the glue backwards up to about here, and then use the soldering iron to unsolder the wires that go to the voice coil, and then carefully pull out the wires from the other side. Let me swap this. Speaker does need to be taken apart for it. So this speaker hasn't been redone yet. This one has been. The car is not old enough for foam to be completely failing. On older cars, you may have to replace the foam. Foam here is okay, came out just fine. This is the new glue. This is the new wires. This is the voice coil. Don't forget that on the inner side, this aligning flexing foam, it's not really foam, but this aligns the voice coil to the magnet. Doesn't allow it to go side to side. Do use a continuity tester to check to make sure that your voice coil is not messed up. You can see on mine right here, there's a little bit of leftover where it touched the inner surface of the magnet. But overall, this one's fine. All the continuity is normal, so voice coil is fine. No need to do anything there. One thing that is necessary is to use a similar type glue. I have found this product by Loctite. It's a flexible adhesive, so it stays flexible, and this is what we need. Whole thing here, you cannot use epoxy or anything like that. You want it to be flexible. Hopefully this helps somebody save a few bucks. 2 speakers, $1,600. New, of course. You can probably find them used for a lot less, but used speakers, unless they come from the desert, will have this problem. This is not like the car was submerged underwater. Because these speakers are located indoors, down below, rain, humidity, that's what causes that behavior. And actually, all the speakers in any car that are located indoors are susceptible to this. And I've done this before. They are repairable, they will work afterwards, and you can save money. Let's see. This is the wire. So it's called tinsel or speaker wire, flex wire. There are several different names for it. About 2 feet, I paid like $6 or $7 for it, so it's not horribly expensive. It's about $3 for the glue, and the rest is manual labor. All right, thanks for watching. Give me a like if you liked the video. Enjoy, subscribe, and save money.